5 Benefits and Side Effects of Castor Oil. Welcome to our Health and Wellness channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of castor oil, a natural remedy that's been around for centuries. From promoting longer, stronger hair to enhancing your immune system, castor oil offers a myriad of health benefits. But, like any powerful remedy, it comes with its set of precautions. Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 benefits of castor oil, its potential side effects, and how to use it safely to enhance your well-being. 1. Longer, stronger hair. Let's kick things off with castor oil's most famous benefit, promoting longer and stronger hair. Packed with ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid known to improve blood circulation to the scalp. Castor oil strengthens the hair roots and promotes healthy hair growth. Segment 2, less joint pain. Moving on to relief from joint pain, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a fantastic natural remedy for arthritis and joint pain. Applying castor oil directly to the affected area can provide significant relief. Segment 3, more energy. Feeling sluggish? Castor oil might just be the energy booster you need. Its ability to support the lymphatic system can help detoxify the body and improve energy levels. We'll delve into the science behind how castor oil can help you feel more energized and provide tips on incorporating it into your routine for the best energy-boosting effects. Segment 4, better bowel movement. For those struggling with constipation, castor oil has been a go-to solution for centuries. Its laxative properties stimulate bowel movement, offering relief from constipation. However, it's important to use it correctly to avoid side effects. We'll guide you through the safe use of castor oil for improving bowel movement, including dosage and frequency. Segment 5, stronger immune system. Last but not least, castor oil is known to strengthen the immune system. By supporting lymphatic drainage, it helps the body fight off infections more efficiently. We'll explore the latest research on castor oil's immune-boosting properties and how to use it to keep your immune system strong. While castor oil is celebrated for its myriad health benefits, from revitalizing hair to bolstering the immune system, it's essential to approach its use with caution due to potential side effects. In the following segment, we delve into the less discussed aspects of castor oil, highlighting the importance of being informed and cautious to maximize its benefits while minimizing risks. Firstly, we tackle allergic reactions, a concern with nearly any substance applied to or ingested by the body. Castor oil, while natural, is no exception. Signs of an allergic reaction can range from mild, such as skin rashes or hives, to severe, including difficulty breathing or swelling. Next, we explore digestive issues, a side effect particularly relevant for those considering castor oil for its laxative properties. While effective in alleviating constipation, improper use of castor oil can lead to uncomfortable or even harmful digestive responses, including cramping, diarrhea, and dehydration. Moreover, pregnant women should steer clear of castor oil, as it can induce labor. Individuals with certain medical conditions or those taking specific medications should also consult healthcare professionals before using castor oil, ensuring it doesn't interfere with their health or treatment plans. Lastly, the quality of castor oil plays a crucial role in its safety and effectiveness. Organic, cold-pressed, and hexane-free varieties as the best choices. These types retain the most nutrients and are least likely to cause adverse reactions, making them the optimal selection for those looking to benefit from castor oil's healing properties. By understanding and respecting the potential side effects and precautions associated with castor oil, users can make informed decisions, ensuring they enjoy its many benefits safely and effectively.